Hello and welcome to Kitchen Basics. In this module, I'll explain to you how to make Chile Verde. Now, this is a recipe from my family. It has served us very well for many generations. Give yourself about 1.5 hours the first time you try preparing it. With practice, you can reduce the time to under 1 hour. Here are the ingredients: 5 pasilla peppers, 3 Anaheim peppers, 2 jalapeno peppers, 1/4 cup diced yellow onion, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 1/2 pound pork cut into cubes. Either pork butt or pork loin works very well. 1/2 cup of water, and then you use sea salt to taste. Regarding the peppers, this is the appearance of the peppers. For those of you who don't know, the above area is the pasilla peppers. Lower left is jalapeno peppers. Lower right is Anaheim peppers. Now the reason we use these 3 peppers is we have found that this blend has great flavor and it's nice and spicy hot. Now let's go through the process. Step 1 is we steam all the peppers in a stock pot until they're soft. And then step 2 is we remove onto a cutting board and remove the stems. Now the stems can easily be pulled out. Step 3 is we slice each pepper lengthwise and then into small pieces. Step 4 is you add 1/2 cup of water, minced garlic, and chopped peppers to the blender. Leave all the seeds in the peppers. Step 5 is we blend for approximately 1 minute. Step 6 is we saute the onions in butter over medium heat. Alternatively, you can use olive oil. Now, step 7 is we place the pork with sauteed onions and cook until well done. Now, step 8 is we place the chili sauce on a cooked meat and simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then we add salt to taste. Congratulations, you've now completed this recipe. It serves 4 individuals with normal hunger pains. Thank you for watching Kitchen Basics, and bye now.